what's going on, my millionaires? I'm your host Terry, and welcome to my channel, baby. Buy the dip. I got some stuff I want to talk about today's video about some short squeeze stocks, and of course give updates on our metamaterials, which is looking good for a short squeeze coming up next week. Real quick on the update, you can see Friday was beautiful. I appreciate everyone that was at the live stream. We live streamed for 2 hours. You guys were so generous and amazing. We were up 24%, including the after hours trading. That is phenomenal. To get after hours, we did gain another about 3 or 4%, so that was phenomenal. Now guys, I want to give you the update here on the short sale transactions, because I was not able to give you that information because it wasn't updated last time we did the video. There is a ton of short sale transactions for Friday, August 27th. This is the $5,000 greater or equal to. And here we go. I'm just going to give you the numbers, guys. I'm going to give you the information. The total amount of short sale transactions on Friday, August 27th was 246 transactions. The total amount of shares shorted, get a load of this, 666,163 shares were shorted on just Friday that we know of, that was reported. Imagine if we could add in all the shares that wasn't reported, and I hope you appreciate the red, white, and blue down there for the information. Got that Americana going up for us. So anyway, we need it right now. The world's crazy, man. Then we got the total dollar amount of shares shorted. This is a mind blower, guys. Mind blower. $2,749,524.94. So basically, $2,750,000 worth of cash was trying to short the stock Friday. So as the stock kept going up, the shorts kept loading and loading and loading. But guess what? We kept going up and just destroying the shorts, man. I love it. We've been destroying the shorts, and it has truly been phenomenal. What else did I want to cover here? Yes, on the Twitter account, guys, we got an update here from eHorror, and I wanted to bring you this information. So I posted this on my official Twitter, guys. Go follow me at TerryZ247, the official Twitter page of me, your boy Terry. Got a tag pin on here. We almost got 400 views on it. Go check it out. It is hilarious. It's just for good fun. Don't take politics into it, guys. Just having a good time. Anyway, have a good laugh. Don't be so stuck up. But anyway, here we go. The short hedge funds lost $9 million today on the 9% gain. How much did they lose in total on our trip to the moon? I have a video coming tomorrow on YouTube, which is right now. So here's the post from our buddy eHorror. And let me adjust this box. There we go. eHorror is the managing director and predictive analytics S3 partner financial analytics firm. Now, like I said, eHorror, he's probably part of some big corporation, but I like getting his information. Mmat short interest is 88 million. 25.3 million shares are shorted. 10.63% of short interest to float. 9.61 S3 short interest to float. The fee to short at 2.82%. Shares shorted are up 3 million, worth 9 million, 11.31% over the last week. That means the shares keep adding to their position, and they're up over 11% in this last week. The shorts are up $95 million in 2021 mark-to-market profits, including a $9 million loss on today's 9.66% positive move. So they were up about 104 million. They're back down to 95 million. So I would assume, just by looking at this calculation there, they probably lost about $24 million. Now I'm just assuming because he said at 9.6% they lost 9 million. We were up about 24%, so maybe they lost around 22, probably $23 million is my guesstimate, because eHorror posted this out midday on Friday. So yeah, imagine how much they lost in total. I would love to get an update from him on over the weekend, talking about after the close Friday, of how much the shorts have lost in total after everything is. And we know the shorts keep loading up, man. They're relentless. They're not stopping. So I got a couple other stocks I'm going to hit you in this video with, so let's get to it. All right, guys, and here in the next play is Root, ticker symbol ROOT. It is an insurance company, provides car insurance to drivers in 31 U.S. states. Root requires drivers to download their mobile app and perform test driving for several weeks while the app monitors driving behaviors in the background. Very interesting business. As you can see on the one-day chart, the stock here started to take up after hours. And I mean, this thing was up about 17 or so percent from earlier in the day. So this is one that I think we need to keep an eye on. We go here to the Fintel website. We got a lot of great information. Has a 20% short interest to float rating on the Fintel that was updated. And we go down here and look. I wanted to show you this right here, man. This is phenomenal. Look at the FINRA short total volume, 60%. Look at the combined short volume ratio, 61%. So they are shorting the heck out of this stock. This is one to keep your eye on Monday morning, and we'll see what happens. All right, guys, the next stock I need to touch base on is ticker symbol Bbig. I know we covered this in yesterday's video, but we're going to touch base on it again today. This stock was up humongous on Friday. This thing was up 116%. We ended the trading day at, looks like $7.67 here after hours. So there's an article out here. They're getting into the NFTs, guys. And down here they're talking about there's 3 reasons why Bbig stock is climbing today. And to sum it up, a quick couple reasons is that the CEO, Mike Novogratz of this Galaxy Digital, is saying that he highlighted his belief that NFTs represent a shift in culture. He believes that soaring prices are likely to continue as the sentiment grows more bullish. Here's one I think truly helped it out as well. Additionally, Facebook has announced it's considering building NFT products and feature it into its Novi digital wallet. The digital wallet is still under development, and the company has stated it's looking for ways of helping consumers support NFTs. The announcement has further strengthened the thesis that NFTs are here to stay. And finally, ironic investor Will Mead recently called Bbig as the stock of the only true NFT play. His Twitter post today had a lot of attention that appears to have shifted investors to a great degree towards positive Avinco. So yeah, there it is, guys. A lot of information out here. There's a lot of articles on Bbig, so go do your due diligence. Read over these articles on Bbig. I just wanted to bring this one to your attention. And I'm going to come out with a separate video on Bbig, so make sure you are subscribed to the channel. I'm going to do a deep dive into the Fintel, the premium Fintel website on Bbig, and give it its own dedicated video because there's a lot of hype around this stock, and I think there's a lot of room for this thing to keep going. So I want to give it its own video because that way I can take the whole time to dedicate that this stock deserves. I think it is a huge short squeeze candidate. Even though it's up 100 some percent, there's still room for this to keep going with the short interest that all is out there. So let's go touch base on our last stock of the day. All right, guys, and the last stock on our radar is going to be ticker symbol SPRT, Sprt.com. As you can see, this one is a real dangerous, man. This one's a kind of already sensed maybe really risky because I believe a lot of the squeeze has already happened. This thing hit a high of over like 50 some dollars. We're back down to 26. I believe Robinhood halted the trading on this bad boy. So here we got the squeeze will continue and accelerate. I just want to go over a little bit of this article with you and give you a little rundown of what they're talking about on this. The stock caught attention of retail traders last month based on the high short interest, which accounts for about 60% of the float. Shares shorted were climbing earlier in the month, but we have seen short covering recently as shorts are in the middle of a big squeeze, says Ihor at S3 Partners. The squeeze will continue and accelerate. Shares are trading above $9 on Monday. They touched a session high of $59.69 on Friday. The rally is long buying rally stock. Thinly traded 20 million shares. Tremendous long buying pressure, said Ihor. Gamma squeeze plus momentum buying, some short covering equals monster rally, said Ihor. And there it is, man. Sprt.com heads to the moon. So these are some stocks that I wanted to put on your radar. That way, you know, I'm not telling you to go out there and buy any of these stocks on a short squeeze. I'm not telling you that at all, guys. I just wanted to bring these stocks to your attention So that way you can go out there, do your own DD on these. These are risky. These are short squeeze candidates. You can, in a sense, get left holding the bag if you buy up here at these prices and it plummets down. So, like I said, it's a gamble. So the way I'm going to look at it, however you want to do it's on you. This is where I say this is your casino money. This is casino money. So if you walk into a casino and you say, I'm okay if I lose $200. I'm okay if I lose $100. I'm going to throw it in there and see what happens. Maybe your budget's bigger. Everyone's budget is different. Maybe your budget's $500, $1,000. It all depends on your budget. For me, it's only going to be a couple $100. You know, that way, you know, if we lose it, yes, it sucks, but it's not like damaging my portfolio. It's just a small, not even a percent of my portfolio, guys. Like a 0.5% of the portfolio. So that's how I'm looking at it. You guys do your own DD. You got to consider what is a proper amount of, you know, your stuff to invest in. Now for me, on the metamaterials, the first stock I covered, that's one I've been long on. So if that thing drops down, I'm okay with it. I plan on holding it long term. But when you're buying these short squeeze stocks, you got to make sure, man, you're only in it, you know, what you're willing to lose, because you could get left holding the bag. And I don't want any of my viewers to get left holding the bag. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, smash the thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, put the bell notification on. I'm gonna have some fantastic videos out over the weekend for you guys, and check out the links down below. There's a lot of great information down there. Got that Patreon link, a lot of great information in there if you're new to the market, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.